Welcome everyone. I am Anindita De, Member, Expert Committee on School Education, Department of School Education, Government of West Bengal. All of you know that our schools were closed for a long period of time due to COVID-19 pandemic situation. During this period, the Department of School Education has taken many initiatives for our students. Now, the Department of School Education has developed bridge materials for classes 9 and 10. These bridge materials have been prepared by our expert teachers with their speedy cooperation. The students were unable to attend the schools due to COVID-19 pandemic situations. As a result, some learning gaps have been developed among them. The bridge material intends to focus on the subject-wise, class-wise, very necessary expected learning outcomes of the previous session to connect each other. It will also helpful to minimize the learning gaps among our students. Suppose those who will belong to class 9 in 2022 are deprived of the regular offline classes for 7 and 8. Some learning gaps have been developed among them. Now, I am going to cite few examples to fill up these gaps through bridge materials. It is known to all that according to the geography syllabus of class 9, movements of the earth belongs to the second chapter. The chapter entitled Earth's Revolution is included in the syllabus of class 7. So, some important concepts related to this topic have been included in bridge material to minimize the learning gaps, and it will act as a bridge when the learners will be learning the chapter Movements of the Earth in class 9. Now, I am going to discuss about class 10. In bridge material, a topic, a brief outline of scales and maps include the concept of scales and maps, a brief description of different kinds of maps, the uses and importance of scales and maps. Those who will belong to class 10 in 2022 are deprived of regular offline classes for the year 2021. So, a brief discussion on the said topic will be helpful for learning the main chapter, that is satellite imageries and topographical maps of class 10, and it will also minimize the learning gaps between two classes. That means this discussion will create a bridge between class 9 and 10. Some parts of bridge material contain foundation study content on some specific topics. For example, in bridge material of class 9, a brief outline of maps and scale is considered as a foundation study content. Learners will be able to comprehend the main chapter of class 9, that is maps and scale, explicitly after learning the topic brief outline of maps and scale in bridge material of class 9. Now I am representing the layout of each topic of the bridge material briefly. In the beginning, it is given what a learner will be able to learn after going through the topic. Then main concepts and very important informations have been represented through charts, tables, concept maps and suitable diagrams and photographs. After that, one section has been provided, that is points to be remembered, from where the learners will be able to learn some key concepts and terminology of the related topic. At last, sample questions are attached to each topic. All the categories of questions, that is multiple choice question, very short answer type questions, short answer type questions and long answer type questions have been given. The bridge material will be used for all students at least over a period of 100 days. If necessary, for some students, they may be used further for a long time. As the bridge material will encapsulate correlated learning outcomes, teachers can correlate the bridge materials with the textbook whenever required. These bridge materials should be used syllabi specific contexts. Stage-wise regular evaluation of the students on the content of bridge materials to be administered to the students. It is hopeful from our respected teachers, with their full cooperation, it will be easier to represent this material as an accelerated learning package for our learners. Thank you.